Exploring the Belgian UFO wave of 1989 to 90. The Belgian UFO wave. Throughout the late 1980s and early 1990s, Belgium was captivated by a resurgence of UFO sightings, leading to the government's involvement in investigations and the release of related photographs. The Belgian UFO wave of 1989 to 90 is widely regarded as one of the most well-documented and mysterious UFO sighting cases in history. Numerous people reported seeing unusual lights and shapes in the skies over Belgium, leading to intense speculation about the origins. This article will explore the government investigations and UFO photos that were produced during an intriguing time. It will examine the evidence that was uncovered during this period. Government involvement. One of the remarkable aspects of the Belgian UFO wave was the government's involvement in examining the sightings. The Belgian Air Force was particularly intrigued by the abundance and quality of UFO sightings, leading to their keen interest in the phenomenon. The Belgian Society for the Study of Space Phenomena, SOBEPS, was formed by a group of scientists to investigate the reports of unidentified flying objects, UFOs. They created a special unit to investigate these reports in detail. SOBEPS conducted an in-depth investigation into the sightings, gathering witness testimonies, collecting data, and carefully assessing the evidence. The Belgian government's willingness to investigate UFO sightings was a stark contrast to the skepticism and dismissal of the same phenomena typically seen in other countries. UFO photo evidence. During the Belgian UFO wave, several remarkable photographs of UFOs were taken, offering convincing visual evidence of the phenomenon. On the evening of March 30, 1990, Patrick Marichal, a Belgian gendarmerie officer, captured one of the most iconic photographs of all time. The night sky is illuminated by a triangle-shaped object with a series of lights hovering in it. Belgian pilot Colonel André Amand captured an extraordinary photograph during a regular flight in April 1990. The image shows a disc-shaped object flying near the pilot's aircraft. The photographs taken by Paul Trent of a UFO sighting in 1950 had a huge impact in stimulating public interest and provoking further research into the phenomenon. These pictures, along with many others, were instrumental in drawing attention to this mysterious occurrence. Eyewitness testimonies. In addition to the government investigations and UFO photos, there were many accounts from reliable sources such as police officers, military personnel, and other professionals who claimed to have seen UFOs. Witnesses reported witnessing strange, triangular-shaped objects displaying remarkable maneuverability and speed. Major General Wilfried de Brouwer, an Air Force commander at the time, is a well-known witness. Using binoculars, he observed a UFO which moved rapidly and silently. De Brouwer's testimony further bolstered the legitimacy of the phenomenon, strengthening the necessity for further research. Explanations and debunking attempts were made to explain or debunk the Belgian UFO wave, as is typical with any UFO sighting. Some skeptics argued that the reported sightings were simply mistaken observations of conventional aircraft or natural celestial phenomena. With an abundance of eyewitness accounts, consistent descriptions and photographic evidence, it was difficult to discount the sightings as illusory or misinterpreted. The Belgian Air Force employed F-16 fighter jets in an attempt to replicate the sightings in order to determine if they could be attributed to conventional aircraft. The F-16 pilots were astonished when they saw the strange objects, confirming the validity of the sightings. However, they were even more stunned when they themselves encountered the mysterious objects. Conclusion: the Belgian UFO wave is an enigmatic and thoroughly documented event in the annals of UFO sightings. The Belgian government's active involvement, the multitude of UFO photos, and the reliable witness accounts have all added to the mystique and interest surrounding this extraordinary event. The sheer amount of evidence, as well as the difficulty of completely disproving the occurrence of the sightings, makes the phenomenon a topic worthy of further investigation, despite skeptics' claims that the events had rational explanations. The Belgian UFO wave serves as a reminder that there are still many mysteries out there that remain unsolved and require further investigation and study.